I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Apple ID security and making a quick backup so nothing is lost. This is essential before accepting new terms. Once you have two-factor enabled and a current backup, open Settings, tap your name, then tap Review Terms. Read the highlighted changes first to spot data or sharing updates. This saves time. If asked, select the device where you want to accept the terms and follow the on-screen prompts to start the update process now. Now you dig into the details. Review what data the updated terms permit apps and Apple to use and why those permissions changed. Make sure to check the devices list and remove any old hardware that no longer needs access, because lingering devices can cause sync or accept prompts. Update payment methods and storage plans if the new terms affect billing. Once done, verify iCloud settings across iCloud Drive, Photos, Mail, and Keychain to ensure service. Finish by accepting the terms on every device tied to your Apple ID so you don't see repeat prompts. Once accepted, restart affected devices to force a fresh sync. After reboot, check iCloud. COM and device sync indicators to confirm everything updated. If something goes wrong, like the terms not registering, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or update the device OS. These steps commonly fix stuck acceptance issues. If that fails, check Apple system status or contact support for account diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.